Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to fix Instagram Reels can't add to audio. Please try again later, problem solve. Click settings. Click about phone. If you get any update, please update. Then open Google Play Store. Search Instagram. If you get any update, please update. Click settings. Click app management. Click app list. Open Instagram. Click force stop. Click storage use. Click clear data. Then click OK. Click permission. Then allow all permission. Then click data use details. Then turn on background data. Then click manage notification. Then allow permission. Click Wi-Fi. Then turn off Wi-Fi. Then restart your phone. Then again turn on Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching.